Sun, Hana, Ite, Roy Python, Hana can Bolue, Hana Pay. Order on. All stand easy. Easy. Oh, good. Attention.
When politicians from Manipur come, and the Chief Minister, when the others come, they never discuss Manipur's problems. They come basically say, we want money for this, we want money for that, we want money for this. And you give them the money, they're very happy, they go back. They never discuss any of these issues which you are talking about, whether you've got the various issues which are there. I really haven't seen any very significant discussion on the issue. You have always them, you'll discuss something on the highway blockade, you'll discuss something when Muiwa's visit came and it was blocked there, then there's a scramble to try and resolve that issue. The rest of the time it's, so long as violence is only less than 10 people or 20 people get killed in a year, some extortion, etc. is tolerable. That's in one sense the central political perspective.